me. Do your master proud. Damn it, Jack! How did you know that stairs were my only weakness? Next to electrocution, and explosions, and gunfire, rust, corrosion, projectile viruses, being called bad names, falling from great heights, drowning, adult onset diabetes, being looked at funny, heart attacks, exposure to oxygen, being turned on by women, and pet allergens. Your brilliance is matched only by your malevolence! I'm just gonna go ahead and cloak now. You can't hear me crying if I cloak. So